So I'm currently behind the wheel of the 2025 Ram 1500, and this thing being kind of an off-road capable truck, it obviously features a four-wheel drive mode, which allows you to switch between the two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive high and four-wheel drive low. So how you switch between those different modes are located right here. So you got your engine start stop button coming down from there, you got your gear selector, and then to the left of that you have this kind of grid of buttons. So right here you see it says two-wheel drive, and it's illuminated. Currently that's what I'm in, but you also have four-wheel drive high and four-wheel drive low. So two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive high, you can just simply toggle between the two while you're driving. While you're stand still, and the vehicle will go between the two. So right now I'm two-wheel drive. I'm going to push four-wheel drive high, and you can see it's blinking. It's about to get switch over. It's currently switched over, and right here on the gauge cluster it'll say four-wheel drive high in yellow print right next to where your mileage is. Now, to get to four-wheel drive low, you can't just sit here and push the button. The vehicle will not do anything. You can hold it. It will tell you to put the vehicle into neutral. So you can see it is blinking at me, and put your foot on the brake and then go over to neutral. Now it's going over. Now it's currently illuminated. Some settings will kind of be turned off, traction control off. But you'll have four-wheel drive low displayed on the dash, and you are currently in four-wheel drive low. Now you can put the vehicle back in drive and you're good to go. I'm just gonna switch it back to four-wheel drive high. You have to put it in neutral to get back out of four-wheel drive low, by the way. So now I'm back in that, gonna put it in park, and then you can cycle back through and get to two-wheel drive. Illuminated. So you can see you just kind of take multiple steps to get from one to the other, and then you're good to go. But that is how easy it is to enable the different four-wheel drive modes in the 2025 Ram 1500. If you have some questions on when you should kind of enable one of these four-wheel drive modes in terms of snow, anything like that, be sure to leave in the comments below and I will answer you. And if you have not already, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you get a moment. It really helps. Thanks for watching.